Hey beauties, I wanted to pop in today and share a quick and easy tutorial for this pink and purple eyeshadow look I posted the other day, so just keep watching to see how I created this look. First I started with my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I do apply that all over my eyes with a synthetic brush, and I extend it outwards, and I also put it under my lower lashes. So then I moved into the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and this is in the shade Viper. This is a gorgeous purple, super creamy eyeliner that I used to kind of sketch out the shape of the eyeshadow look I wanted to create. So then I went in with this pink shade from the Colourpop Sailor Moon palette. This is the shade Tuxedo Rose, and using a very small pencil brush, I just tapped it over the Urban Decay 24/7 liner. So like I said earlier, I used the eyeliner to kind of sketch out a shape, and then now I'm just packing the pink shade over the purple to create some really nice depth and also give some shape to the look. So I'm just taking very small motions and just tapping that pink right over the purple. So then I moved into this yellow shade. This is Justice from the palette, and I'm just again using a fluffy brush now. I'm just tapping it right over only the edge of the pink shade, and so this is going to give us a nice kind of blend and a gradient look. These shades are super vibrant and almost neon-like, so they're really beautiful and stunning. So then I moved back into Tuxedo Rose, our pink shade, and I just tapped it all over my lid. And then again, I go back in with the yellow shade Justice and just tap out the edges of the pink shadow. So now I'm taking my 24/7 liner again, and I'm just lining my lower lashes, and I'm smudging it into my waterline, and I'm smudging it downwards as well, more down into the lower lashes area. And now I'm going to take this purple shade, Miracle Romance, and I'm just packing that right over the purple liner, and I'm smudging it downwards with a pencil brush. And now I'm just taking a very teeny brush, and I'm just using it to blend that purple shade even more. So now I'm taking this gorgeous peach pink shade, Silver Crystal, and I'm just packing that right on top of the pink shade. So just taking a very small synthetic brush, I'm just tapping it on and kind of carving out a lid for myself. I do have super hooded eyes, so the lid is an illusion. You just go right over your folding, and it just winds up disguising it and giving you a big lid look. So I just continuously go in and repeat all my previous steps till I get the color I like. So here I'm taking my Rimmel liquid liner, and this is a purple liquid liner from Rimmel, and I'm just using it to do my eyeliner now. So I'm just taking very, very, very small motions. You'd have to really take your time, especially if you do have hooded eyes. You want to take your time and apply a little bit at a time, and just kind of drag it over your eyes very gently. Really, like I said, taking your time, using very small motions, especially you want to let it dry, so you want to do it very, very slowly and really take your time. So now I'm just doing the other eye, and these are just such great graphic liners from Rimmel. So you just keep dipping in, taking more product, and just going very slowly. And then I just go over the liquid liner with the purple, just to set it and just make it more vibrant. So here I'm just applying some lashes. These are very more natural looking lashes. These are actually the Ardell, And then I go back over the lash band with the liquid liner to kind of bring everything together, disguise the lash band, bring back your liquid liner. So when you do a more vibrant eyeshadow look, a lot of times you have to just keep repeating the previous steps until you get the intensity and the color payoff that you want. So a lot of these videos look very short, but they actually do take much longer because you're going back in and repeatedly repeating the previous steps. It takes much longer than what is shown in the video. So this is the finished look, beauties. I did apply the Cat's Eye blush from Colourpop and the Moon Tiara gloss and Colourpop lip liner. So I actually had an issue with my camera, but this is the finished look that I did post to my TikTok. So I don't know if you could get a better look at it, but I just wanted to also show you, in case you missed my previous video with swatches for this palette, if you're interested. This is such a stunning palette, and these are just gorgeous. They're neon-esque pastel shades, so they're very unique and very beautiful, and you can definitely create tons of summer looks and also purple and pink eyeshadow looks or neon-esque looks. There's just a lot of different options with this palette. And in case you, like I said, in case you missed my previous video, I just wanted to show you some swatches from the palette. These are the shimmer shades, so they're absolutely gorgeous. There are pressed pigments in here, shimmers, pressed glitters, just absolutely stunning shades. Like I was saying earlier, my camera went out, so I had to switch to this other camera to show you the swatches, and I just wanted to give you an idea of how they apply to, to your eye, the different effects that they can create. So they're just beyond gorgeous, and these are the mattes in the palette, so they're just really, really beautiful, neon-esque. So I just highly recommend everything from this collection if you can get your hands on it. I know a lot of it is sold out, but definitely I highly recommend this palette. If you love pink and purple looks, this is such a great palette. And also the glitters that they have with this collection are absolutely stunning. I did use those a little bit in my tear duct area as well, but I wasn't able to show you guys. But I did put some of this on my tear duct area. I did put it on my cheekbones, so it's just so gorgeous. It's already wet glitter, so you don't have to wet it, you don't have to do any work. It already comes pre-moistened, so you can just apply it to your eyes, your face, your body. It's beautiful. You can pack it on top of your eyeshadows, and this one is pink-esque. It's like a pink glitter, baby pink glitter, so gorgeous. And there they are, just so stunning. There's 2 glitters in this collection, so I definitely love them. They wear and wear and wear, they do not come off, so that's really great. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of this vibrant eyeshadow look, and don't forget to use my promo code 5Alegra to save on your Colourpop order. I will have everything linked below, but that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can check out my huge monthly makeup giveaway. You will be entered into the giveaway, and plus I have tons of pop-up giveaways. So don't forget to subscribe and take part. Love you guys.